What is the heat exchange principle behind geothermal systems? Imagine a home that stays warm in winter and cool in summer without relying heavily on traditional heating and cooling methods. That's the power of geothermal systems. They use the Earth's natural heat to keep your home comfortable all year round. But how exactly does this work? Let's break down the science behind it. Geothermal systems operate on a simple idea. The ground beneath our feet maintains a steady temperature throughout the year. Just a few feet below the surface, the Earth stays warm in winter and cool in summer, no matter what the weather is like outside. This consistent temperature makes it an ideal source of renewable energy. The core of this system is a closed loop of pipes called the ground loop. These pipes are buried underground, either in a horizontal or vertical pattern, depending on the space available. A special fluid, usually a mix of water and antifreeze, circulates through these pipes. During winter, the fluid absorbs heat from the Earth and carries it to the heat pump inside the house. The heat pump then concentrates this low-grade heat, making it hot enough to warm your home's air or water systems. Inside the heat pump, a refrigerant with a very low boiling point absorbs this heat. When the refrigerant evaporates, it turns into vapor, and a compressor then raises its temperature significantly. This hot vapor transfers heat to your home's heating system. After releasing the heat, the refrigerant cools down and condenses back into a liquid, ready to repeat the cycle. In warmer months, the process reverses. The system extracts heat from your home's air or water and transfers it to the refrigerant. The refrigerant then releases this heat into the ground loop, which disperses it into the cooler Earth. This cycle makes geothermal systems highly efficient because they move heat rather than generate it through combustion. Since the Earth's temperature remains stable, these systems work efficiently regardless of outside air temperatures. This means lower energy bills and fewer greenhouse gases compared to traditional heating and cooling systems. For sustainable architecture, geothermal systems fit perfectly because they use renewable energy from the Earth. They requiring careful installation of the ground loops and a well-designed heat pump to maximize efficiency. Integrating geothermal systems into smart home setups can provide reliable heating, cooling, and hot water with less environmental impact. They help create energy-efficient homes that are better for the planet while keeping your living space comfortable all year long.